Say, hi, Uncle Jonathan.
Hi, Uncle Jonathan.
This is almost done, guys. That's why it's started.
Do you want me to tell you what it says? Do you want me to tell you what the front page is? It says, The Three Pigs. Oh, it's the wolfing.
The what?
It's the wolf.
Well,
It's where these three little pigs will be the house and there's bad wolfing. Really no good.
And what do you say to Uncle Jonathan?
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
what is this? Oh, honey, you're so cute. What is this?
It's the Three Little Pigs book.
Oh, you don't have that. You could probably, you know what? Keep recording. Mary's great at telling what she thinks is happening on the pages. You want to do that now or later?
I think we're going to do a